Hello everyone, in this video we will compare Linux Mint and Arch Linux. Linux Mint and Arch Linux cater to very different types of users and philosophies. Linux Mint is one of the most popular and beginner-friendly Linux distros available. It's easy to install, work great right after setup, and comes with everything you need for everyday tasks. The desktop looks familiar to Windows users, especially with the Cinnamon edition. Mint includes useful apps, media codecs, and drivers out of the box. No extra setup needed. Updates are simple and safe with a built-in update manager that handles most things for you. It runs smoothly on both new and older computers, making it a great choice for many users. Arch Linux is powerful and flexible Linux distro made for advanced users who like full control. It doesn't come with a desktop or apps. You build everything yourself from the ground up. This means you can choose exactly what you need and nothing more, making it lightweight and fast. Arch uses a rolling release system, so you always get the newest software and updates. However, it requires good Linux knowledge and comfort using the command line. If some things breaks, you need to fix it yourself, so it's not beginner friendly. Overall, Linux Mint is better for beginners and everyday users, while Arch Linux is better for advanced users who want full control and customization. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.